Alright, let's take a quick look and see how we can plait the knotless braids. The only thing you're going to do, let's first do this. Wow, this is a new day. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I'm welcoming you, all the prince and princesses and princess, to come and see how we do this. We are going to be doing the knotless braid, and in this video, if it's your first time to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I just want you to give me your time because I'm going to be showing you how to start the knotless braid. Let's leave out all the things of plaiting the braiding, make it neat, because we've been seeing it most of my videos showing you that. But today I'm going to emphasize on how to start the knotless braid. So if it's your first time to subscribe to my YouTube channel, sorry, I want you to give me your attention, as cause we are going to do this, and please try to practice it. As long as you do the practice, trust me, you will have to do it like me or even more. You understand? So the only thing you can do is just to follow all these instructions that I'm going to be showing you. So let's do the knotless braids. And remember, on this one I told you on my previous video that we always follow the lines. You have to make sure that your lines are very perfect. So like this one, let's see. We first plait the hair only. You first separate it like this into 3 portions, and then you plait it alone, like 1, then 2. This one is according to the volume of your hair, because in front I don't do it that way. In front I do it once, so you start that way, then after like tap, you get another one, you add that way. Yes, just like that. I don't This hair is the most painless hair, that's what I can say. It's very it's not painful at all. So the plating of the threads is normal, or like the way we always plait. It's just normal. And make sure when you're trying to add, make sure that your braid, that addition braid that you add, it is equal. The same, it is same, it is like the same size. Don't make it big. Yes, I told you this video is about showing you how to start knotless braids. So you see, still this way, 1 and twice. If the volume is big, you can do the threads like that, you see, because I'm in the middle of the hair, so the hair is big and has got a lot of growth. That's why you're seeing me doing that way, you see. And the most important thing, guys, I want to remind you, please don't forget to make sure your lines are very perfect, because they will give you the good results. Whenever your lines are perfect, they give you the good results. So let's try in front and see. Like when you're doing in front, how do you see her hair is somehow damaged, but I'm trying my best. So we are applying the gel as usual. I told you what the gel, the importance of using the gel. So I try to make sure that all my hair is fixed. Then I cut it into 3 portions. Yes, so let's start plaiting. You see, just like that, yes. Yeah, her hair is damaged in front, but though the knotless braids, they're not they're protective, so they won't damage her hair. So that is how I do it. Then I add, still when I'm adding the same size, you see. Yes, just like that. I know you can also do it as long as you keep on practicing, because practicing makes it perfect. So please try to always practice. And I'm working with my students here, so when I'm starting, they keep on finishing the braiding. They are very very good. Yes, they're very good when it comes to finishing the when it comes to braiding. They're very good at it. So this is still the way, because I told you in this video we just have to focus on how to start the knotless braids. Yes, still like chop. Yes, chop. Do it once and again, just like that. So after you start adding, I told you just have to add the same size according to how you want the size to be. You might want like you may need your braid to become big, so it means when you're adding, you have to add that big size, you understand? So mine, I want them to be this medium. That's why you're seeing I'm adding small, just like that. So if you have any question, please just go right now in my comment section and write something that you'd want to know about plaiting knotless braid or any other thing. Trust me, I'll be there to answer you. And I want to shout out to all our friends. Oh my god, guys in America, United States, oh my god, you're very very good to me. Thank you so much for subscribing this channel. And I want to shout out to all guys in Saudi Arabia, South Africa and Kenya. Oh my god, siwezi kuwasahau. Asante sana to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I hope if you're trying to learn something from it, yes, you can please ever send me your view in my comment section, so that we see where we have reached and what can I add on, so that we keep sharing the ideas. Yes, I want us to keep on learning. So people from Kenya, asante sana asante sana to subscribe my YouTube channel. Nawapenda sana. Yes, so let's see here in front how we can do. We have to apply our gel. I told you her hair was somehow damaged, but I'm trying to make sure that I'm doing it perfect. Yes, then you do it. Yes, the 3 times, you cut into 3 times, then you start plaiting the hair only, like chop. Yes, chop, just like that, and chop. Then you can add according to the size of the braid that you want it to be. You don't just add. Yes, you just have to make sure that you know the volume and the size of the braid that you want. It's how you add. So this is how I'm doing it. And please, I also still have those guys in United Emirates. Guys, you're doing a great job. Thank you so much for loving us. And those one who are sharing our videos, you're doing a great job. Yes, and if you share it, just try holler at me, just tell me that you shared it. Yeah, big up to you, or big up to you. Yes, so we're still doing it this way. Yeah, just like that. And I try to add on so that my 3s are equal. Yes, that way. So something I can tell about knotless braid, they're very nice since they're light, and they even if they're long, they will be easy to maintain and easy to style. Yes, just according to how you want it. So that's the good thing about the knotless braids. And still they are protective to your hairline. So you just plait it according to someone's. If someone has got a weak hairline, then it depends on how that volume size that you're going to use, that is going to protect her how you're going to do it. So that's how it is. And I want to shout out to my friend Nicholas in Canada. Thank you so much for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Guys, you're doing a great job. And please, if it's your first time to subscribe to this channel, yes, just know you're in the right place. Yes, stay calm. More hairstyles to come. Yes, because we do it every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yes, so that's how it is. So the knotless braid, that's how we keep on doing them. And I would like to show you after how you can hold the puff, because you know, when it comes to hold the puff, sometimes people don't know how to hold that puff. So yeah, I'm going to show you how you can also hold the puff so that you see it well. Let's take a look here. After this, you see how it is. You see, like chop chop, very simple. You can, after saying this, please try to try it home. When you reach home, try it out. Yes, try it out. You see, just like that. And then you start braiding that way. Yes, you start braiding that way, just like that. You keep on braiding. You keep on braiding up to the end. Trust me, you're going to like it. And those ones who want to see how we were doing it, making the braids very neat, I have a video uploaded showing you the knotless braids for the beginners. Still, you can go and see how I do it, because it's very, very simple, and you can also do it well. So let's try to see how we can do the braiding. So this is the way we keep on plaiting. I told you I'm working with my team. Yes, she's my sister called Becca. She's very, very nice when it comes to doing this. Very niche. She's very, very good. Yes, so when you finishing the plaiting the threads, then down you can just twist it that way. Yes, you can just twist it that way, because we need it to be pointing. So when you're done with that, this is how you tie it. And when you have a scissor, it's very good, like, to make the braid very neat. So the scissor is always good. At times there are those people who cut it and they reach and they scared of cutting even the hair. So it's not good. You have to be seeing your client's hair, so that you should not trim your client's hair. So that's how we do it. Yes, just like that. This one makes it look very, very neat. So I'm going to show you how you can do the puff, because at least, yeah, everyone, you're going to practice this method on how you can play the knotless braid. So after applying the anti-itch is when we're going to hold the puff. Yes, enjoy that. Let me sign out here, right? Because I think you're going to see there's nothing to explain. You're going to see how I'm holding the puff and how it's going to look like. My name, I'm called Morris, the crochet master. See you in the next video. I love you so much. Bye bye. Enjoy the knotless braids. Wow.